Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life. Join us as we delve into the world of personal growth and self-improvement, and discover the tools and techniques you need to transform yourself and achieve your dreams. Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing one of the most powerful universal laws, the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that we attract what we focus on, both positive and negative. It's a principle that has been known and used for centuries, but only recently gained mainstream popularity. In this video, we'll be diving into the law of attraction and showing you how you can use it to achieve success and fulfill your dreams. So, let's get started. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts can bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. Essentially, it says that you attract into your life whatever you give your attention, energy, and focus to. So, if you focus on negative thoughts, you'll attract negative experiences, and if you focus on positive thoughts, you'll attract positive experiences. How to use the law of attraction? Now that you understand the basic principles of the law of attraction, let's talk about how you can use it to achieve success. Here are a few steps to get you started. 1. Get clear on what you want. The first step is to get clear on what it is that you truly want in life. Make a list of your goals, both big and small, and visualize them as if they've already come true. 1. Focus on positive thoughts. Make a conscious effort to focus on positive thoughts and feelings. Practice gratitude and positive affirmations and avoid negative self-talk. 1. Take action. The law of attraction alone isn't enough to bring about change. You need to take action toward your goals. Even small steps can make a big impact over time. 1. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive people, engage in positive activities, and eliminate negativity from your life. The law of attraction is a powerful tool for success, but it takes time and effort to make it work. Remember, you attract what you focus on, so make sure you focus on positive thoughts and take action toward your goals. With practice, you'll be able to use the law of attraction to bring your dreams to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.